Kabaong na nga lang ang kulang. Hoy! Hi mga kaigala, so ngayon ay sisimulan natin itong vlog na to sa preparation para sa pictorial ng Mr. and Miss Intramurals ng Habonga National High School.
Wow!
At ito nga ang naging result ng pictorial namin. Pagkatapos ng pictorial ay umuwi na muna ako sa bahay at nakatulog ako kaya nabigla ako na meron nagsabi na meron kaming closed door interview. At November 28 ay sinukat ko ang aking sports attire. At December 28 ay nagpagupit na ako.
Wow!
And finally, this is the day. Hi guys! So, andito kami sa backstage. Ayan, for the schoolboy na tayo ngayon. And by the way, sobrang init dito, oh my God! And then, ang next nito is sports attire. So, yan, pinagpapawisan talaga ako dito guys. And by the way, nag-contact lens ako ng color blue. And then, I will update you later. Bye! Kaigang daw. Next is, sports attire.
Role in student development. And always remember this, even if you are big, fat, or have disabilities, you can still join sports, because sports is for everyone. That's all, thank you. Next is from section.
Special thanks to